Hello everyone, my name is Riya from MGS350NCC. In this video, I'm going to talk about various discrimination in the employment sectors and the employment laws. Discrimination based upon religion. The religion that I chose here is Muslim religion. An example of discrimination based upon religion could be a scenario where a Muslim individual is denied a job opportunity solely because of their religious beliefs or practices, such as wearing a hijab. This is a discrimination because it denies the person's equal and fair opportunity based solely upon their religion, which is protected ground in many jurisdictions. Discrimination based upon religion is not permitted or permissible because it goes against the fairness and principle of fairness and equality. Every individual should have the right to practice their religion freely without facing any discrimination in employment sectors and in other aspects of life. Discrimination based upon disability. Discrimination based on disability can occur in various ways, such as employer refusing to provide a reasonable accommodation for a disabled employee, such as installing wheelchair ramps or providing assistive technologies. This is discrimination based upon disability because it prevents the individual from fully participating in the workplace on equal basis with others. However, there are certain circumstances where an employer may discriminate based upon disability if providing accommodation would cause undue hardship, such as significant financial burden or operational difficulties. For instance, if a small business owner cannot afford to install an expensive elevator for a wheelchair bound employee due to financial constraints, they may be exempted from providing that accommodation. However, they could still be expected to explore other reasonable adjustments or alternatives that do not cause undue hardships. Discrimination based upon national origin. When an employer asks a person's original nationality or place of birth before offering them a job, they may be violating the protected ground of discrimination based on ancestry or place of origin. The Title 7 of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the Immigration and Nationality Act is a federal law that protects the individual from discrimination based upon national origin. This extends to recruitment efforts, hiring, firing, or layoffs Uh, based upon national origin. Instead, they should be asking questions related to applicants' eligibility to work in Canada, such as whether they are legally authorized to work in the country. This is the law. This is a law in Ontario and in many other jurisdictions to prevent discrimination based upon factors such as national origin or ethnicity and to ensure fair and equal treatment, especially in employment opportunities. Ontario's Human Rights Code. Under Ontario Human Rights Code, for not hiring a person solely because they have several tattoos can potentially be considered unethical behavior, nor as a violation of the code if the decision is based solely upon discriminatory grounds. The code protects individuals from discrimination in employment sectors in various grounds such as race, color, creed, religion, national origin, disability, and many more. Discrimination based on these protected grounds is prohibited in Ontario. As such, there is no protected law against people with tattoos or discrimination against people with tattoos in the employment sectors. Therefore, if an employer decision is not to hire someone with several tattoos is solely based on stereotype or biasness related to their appearance, such as assuming that individuals with tattoos are less professional or less capable, it may be considered discriminatory against the Ontario Human Rights Code. However, it is solely the decision of the hiring company, it is solely the decision of the employer to hire or not hire. However, if an employer can demonstrate a legitimate reason related to the job for not hiring someone with visible tattoos, such as maintaining a certain professional image in a client facing role, it may not necessarily be considered a violation of human rights code. The key is ensuring that decisions related to hiring are based on legitimate job requirement rather than discriminatory attitudes or stereotype behavior.